Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video, as you can tell by the title, another Temu haul. Random things again. I have things that need to be replaced and thrown out. You don't have to get stuck in hoarding stuff. If one thing looks worn out, throw it away outside, get a new one. Okay, I received my package. I'll be honest, I already opened. I couldn't wait to see what's inside, and as usual, it's a pack. I'm not sure if it's a lot or not, but yeah. So in case you see me looking down, my mirror is right here, so I need to see what I'm doing up there. You get that? Great. Okay, without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So the first thing I got is this. I have forever wanted to have like a nice cute bag where I can put my sanitary towels and toiletries. I do have one, but it's black, and I think it's time I got another one that's more colorful, and this is what I went for. This is cactus, and the color, yeah, it is so cute and good enough, huge enough for different sizes. One thing I have noticed is that there's a string there. I'm not gonna complain because it was cheap, like really cheap, like cents. Yeah, cents in euros. I got my hair clips again, but in different colors that I do not have. I said I would get these things in all the colors that are matching my wardrobe, and I did. I have a white, but this is more like creamy. It's cream. Don't know if you can tell. And then this one is lavender lilac. I not say really purple. This is baby pink, and as you can see from this one, this is more like pink. I don't know if you can tell the difference, and even what I'm wearing is a different shade of pink, so those are like 3 shades of pink. So I have this green. This is a brown for autumn or any other time. I am not regretting my purchases for those. I'm so happy. Next, okay, so this is a bag that you can keep your stuff. I'll be adding pictures, and I got this bag because I have a smaller one as well. Okay, why is a thread passing through the zipper? Like, that's what you get for getting things on sale. That's how it looks like a cute little box, but then it opens diagonally like that. This is how it looks like inside. Next we have this one. This is the same bag. This is a bit bigger than the other ones. Tosi Chodela Isoa have like a complete set of the bags. I remember I said I will get these things, and I have. When I promise myself something, I get them. Up next we have phone cases. So those 2 phone cases. One is for the iPhone 8 Plus. I still have my old phone with me, and it needs a new cover. Okay, this is the one. And for my other phone, and I risked it because my phone has a MagSafe charger that is original from the Apple store, if I should say. And then this one is just, please tear off the inner and the outer protective film before use. Well, I'll try this and I'll let you know if it actually works immediately. I got waxing sticks. I just wanted to try and see the quality before I actually settle for a specific quality or brand of wax sticks. I know wax sticks are just wax sticks because they're like popsicle sticks but wider. I wax myself. If you have not seen a video of me waxing myself, you should go and see. Speaking of waxing, I also got wax beads. I came with wax beads from Kenya because my skin is very sensitive and I did not want to like risk that at all. So finally they are almost coming to an end, and I need to start trying different stuff here. I am not worried, I just want to see how the hard works here is. The ones I got from Kenya, I got them from a store called, I don't remember, but it's at Nyali Shopping Center, but it was a really good store. I used to get like most of my waxing stuff from there. It's 100 gram, and I took lavender because lavender is soothing and calming. So I do not have a hair dryer, and I do deep conditioning. I've been doing it with my shower cap, but I'm not so happy about it. Guess what I bought? A metallic conditioning heating cap. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit all my hair, but as long as it does the work, I'm happy. Today I have sauna and I'm gonna try this out. Do you guys remember from the previous video that I got 3 or 4 black bags that were matching for traveling? I decided to add another one, like another set. So that's 1, 2, and then there's 3. These are so good when you're traveling. When you get to the TSA and they're just checking your stuff, like get your stuff out of the box, you don't need to use whatever they have. At least for me, I put them in clear bags so that they are able to see what's inside the bags, other than taking them out of the bag and then again putting them in their bag and then again putting them in my bag. That's a hassle. That's not the stress I want to go through the airport. In the airport, I want to take pictures and reels and use the escalators and do whatever. Good quality, by the way. And and I also got another one, but this time is a different one because the ones that I had are over 2 or 3 years old and I'm no longer liking them, plus the zipper is torn and that's not cute. I got them from my trip to Dubai, so I got another set but a different looking one. It comes packed like this: 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, nice quality, honey. Do you see that? Cute. Oh, waterproof. I like the translucent material that it has, and it has a handle. These 2 small ones have a handle. Then the larger one has like a bigger handle. This is the bigger one. It's a wash bag. It's really good quality, I'd say. I love them. I mean, it's better quality than these ones. I got the bags from 2 different stores and I wanted to compare. So this is the Msema Kweli. So already I can tell some difference from it. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference. This one is a bit more shiny than this one. This one is more like matted. Up next we have this. That is incorrect English. Travel with is always diving into the different and new world. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but it sounds so wrong in my mouth. Maybe because I speak 10 different languages. These are those little bags that you have to pack your stuff in when you put your stuff in the suitcase. I was looking for a pink one, but I didn't get, and I thought maybe gray because my suitcase, my carry-on suitcase, has black and gray, and I did not want black. Inside of my suitcase is gray anyways. So inside, this is the first one, 2, 3, secret pouch, 4, 5, 6. I promise probably in the next 1 or 2 years I'll not buy traveling bags to organize my suitcase, hopefully, but who knows what if God has other plans for me. And I got this. I don't know what this is, don't remember, but we're gonna find out. It's iPhone, so let's see. It is a screen protector. It comes like that. It has wipes and what the heck, 1, 2, 3. It is a privacy screen. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I've tried privacy screen before and it's really good. For the first time, I'm not disappointed with anything that I've bought. Last but not least, I got a smartwatch. My Apple Watch decided to do me dirty and I wasn't ready to get a new one at the moment. It wasn't in my plans this year because I'd already got one. I'm not sure if this is a good idea, but we will find out. So it has a manual. I'm already regretting. Happiness, happiness, when will you land? Happiness, happiness, when will you land? Happiness, happiness, when will you land? It comes with a charging thing. I don't like these straps though. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, you know what to do. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.